guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make an Italian cream cake. Oh my goodness, toasted pecans and coconut, amazingly delicious. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn that notification bell and set it to all so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload one. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, we are back and it's time to go over our ingredients. We have 5 large eggs that have been separated, and I have each one of my yolks in a different little container because we need to add them one by one. I'm heavy-handed and I don't want to dump them all in at once. I have my prepared baking pans where I use coffee filters. You can check my coconut recipe to see how I do that. We have buttermilk, coconut. We have our sugar, pecans, salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, butter, and all-purpose flour. I think that's it. And as always, I will have all the ingredients, exact measurements, and the entire recipe down in the description for you guys to reference later. Okay, let's get this Italian cream cake made. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is beat our butter until it's nice and smooth. You can use a stand mixer or a hand mixer. I do not have a stand mixer, so I always use a hand mixer. We're going to beat this until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to gradually add in our sugar. Once our sugar is incorporated, we're going to add in our egg yolks, one at a time, just until they're incorporated. Then we're going to add in our vanilla. Okay, let's make this Italian cream cake. Okay, and this is what your mix should look like when you have all of your wet ingredients mixed for your Italian cream cake. Okay, dry ingredients next. Now for our dry ingredients, you just want to make sure your salt and your baking soda is well incorporated. So just take a whisk and whisk it lightly for a couple of seconds. Now we're going to add our flour and our buttermilk to our egg mixture, alternating, starting and ending with our flour. Now I always like to add my last addition by hand. That's so I personally will not overmix it. Just want to blend in this last flour by hand. You can use a mixer if you're good with that. Go right ahead. Okay, now this is our batter so far. Next, we're going to beat our egg whites until they form stiff peaks. Okay, we have our stiff peaks, if you guys can see that. We're going to now add in our coconut and our pecans. Stirring by hand, mixing well. Now we're going to fold in our egg whites. Gently fold in our egg whites. Now spoon this into your prepared pans. Again, you can weigh it for exact amount. I'm just going to eyeball it. This Italian cream cake smells amazing. Oh my goodness. We're going to bake this in a 350-degree preheated oven for about 20-25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. I think this one needs a little bit more. Okay, so while our cake is cooking, we want to go ahead and toast our pecans. You're just going to put them in a skillet, a non-stick skillet. I'm using stainless steel, and you just want to toast them. You don't need any oil or anything. As soon as they become just a little bit fragrant, they're done. Don't over toast them. Okay, so while our cake is still in the oven, go ahead and get your frosting done. We've got our toasted pecans that we just did for our frosting. Powdered sugar, butter, cream cheese, and vanilla. That's it. That's all you'll need. Okay, let's make frosting for our Italian cream cake. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is cream your butter. Then add your cream cheese in and cream it together with the butter so you won't have any lumps at all before moving on to your sugar. Okay, so the traditional way to make this Italian cream cake is to mix your nuts into your frosting. But I like to decorate and I like to do things just a little bit different because this is cooking at Pam's place. So this is Pam's way. So I'm going to take some of this frosting out of here and I'm going to mix the nuts just into this portion over here. Make sure I got the right amount here. I think that should be good. That should be good. I'm just going to take some nuts and mix them in here with this particular cream cheese frosting. Okay, and we'll set this aside. Okay, it's time for us to frost our Italian cream cake. Okay, take it out of the pan. See how easy that comes out? See how easy that comes out. Take your parchment paper off. It tore, but that's okay. Okay guys, we are all done. Doesn't this look beautiful? Oh my goodness, it is an amazing Italian cream cake. Look at the sides. Oh my goodness, look at the top. So I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer for a slice. Okay guys, thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me. Don't forget to visit me at my website and sign up for the free exclusive recipes as well as email notifications when I drop a video. Okay, this is smelling amazing. It looks delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's where we're cutting it at. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, guys, and share the video out. Share it out, share it out. I really would appreciate it. Tell everyone you know what Cooking at Pam's Place is over here doing. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Doesn't that look amazing, guys? Yes. Okay, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise.